Hello everybody, my name is Matthew and today I am going to show you how the heck are you going to make your PC look wonderful. Look at this, okay? This is a stunning photo, but it's not really good with every default, every Windows 10. But with these free tricks, you can make it look great and even change your look of the time. Not gonna lie, it looks really good and very it doesn't make your PC bad? No, because let's say work as a background app. It works as a like a free manager. And don't worry, these are not violence. They're totally free. All you have to do is go down to the link. There are two links there. This is for the taskbar X, which is about how managing your taskbar is. Making like this. It's transparent. In the middle, the apps. The T clock is about changing time, the time, and just when you have to download it, don't be confused. You just have to click this or the taskbar. Don't be confused because these source codes are just for this man, for people who want to learn how they do this. And then for this, that the T clock, you need to download on the zip. If you don't know how to run RAR or zip, you can download WinRAR. It's certainly free. It's always free. Or if your PC has a free with RAR stuff, I think it's on the Windows 10 Pro. Once you download it, you need to go to and, and extract the file. Create folders for it. To be not confused on where are these files, why don't you create a tweak file here? Like I did. See, created this folder, make a tweak, and the inside the create individual photos again. This I created for the T clock and for the taskbar X. So now let me introduce to you what the taskbar X can do. Sorry if I really set it up quickly because I've already been doing this for like a long time. To make this taskbar apps in the middle, you have to enter this taskbar X. But I don't need to do that because I already did. You can tell me that I'm a liar. Sorry, but I'm actually not. But everybody has their taste. Also, if you want to change what are the rules of these, you can go ahead and click in the taskbar as configurator. Once you just open it, there are some serious awesome settings that you can apply for the taskbar. There is a you can change your default into like acrylic, acrylic, sorry, the acrylic, so they made it look like this, look like some normal stuff. There's also the blur, which makes things a bit blurry on, and you can also make it transparent. Transparent is a bit better one because you can still see the photo. These are some animations for the this kind of files, like the animation file. I'm pretty sure they're just the same. And there's an animation file for the battery. The battery is this. And these are some of the speed. If you're confused what the hell is the mean standard, it's actually milliseconds. Also about the position of offset the taskbar, which I'm totally not smart about. And if you have your settings, you click. All you have to do is click apply, just like I did. And you can freely click close. Now onto the T clock. I totally had T clock open. Here's how you can actually configure it. To configure it, you have to open this clock. If I'm not mistaken. It should work, but I had the idea why it's not working. I think you're gonna have to close the clock 64 that yes, good, because I think it's working way better. And how but the stuff, the nothing that is kind of and if you're telling like why is it not working on me, I think it's not working because I'm recording. But I can assure you this works 100% fine. About this quick lock help, it means how you can change the look of your lock. There are numbers that you can use like this. DPT, which means recording 6 week day long, photo A, blah blah blah. I'm not going to is it the create setting. Oh, and by the way, how you can remove this is just you need to just click this video that I showed. And also you can still see if you want to remove some steps here, you can go to the right click on the taskbar, you can remove your search, the toolbars, you can remove some steps you don't want, and even here. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I am going to be starting my very first video game series or Devil May Cry. And this is PC or laptop because I'm using a laptop. But anyways, thank you guys so much again for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!